our country's soul. I don't know, but I've been told it's childless cat ladies. Of whom is J.D. Vance afraid? Childless cat ladies, whose tale will never be handmade. Childless cat ladies, who's sick to death of days of yore. Enough with please and por favor. Our meow is now a mighty roar. Childless cat ladies. You think you can take away the rights of childless cat ladies? Better get ready for a real cat fight with childless cat ladies. DEINCRT, WTF, GOP, you're barking up the wrong tree. We're fearless cat ladies. We're dusting off our pantsuits. We didn't come to play. The danger's so acute. Our pussy hats are here to stay. Now why are Trumplicans dumbfounded by childless cat ladies, of whom are the rumors all well-founded? Childless cat ladies, who's got the real electoral clout? Let's be clear, there's no doubt. All together now, let's shout about